Want to run faster and farther? Want to feel stronger with every stride? The secret isn't more miles. It's strength training. Many runners think strength training is for bodybuilders, not for them. This couldn't be further from the truth. Just 30 minutes a week can make a huge difference in your running. Strength training helps you run more efficiently. It strengthens your muscles and improves your form. This means you use less energy with each stride. Think of it like this. Stronger muscles mean a smoother, more powerful run. This guide is for everyone, especially beginners. We'll explore the benefits of strength training. You'll learn simple yet effective exercises, and we'll provide a clear plan to get you started. Ready to unlock your full running potential? Let's get started. Strength training is like giving your running a turbo boost. It strengthens your muscles, yes, but it also does so much more. It improves your endurance, allowing you to run farther before feeling tired. It strengthens your bones and connective tissues, making you more resilient and less prone to injuries. Many runners experience overuse injuries. These are injuries that develop over time from repetitive stress. Strength training helps prevent these injuries by building a strong foundation. It helps your body withstand the impact of running. Strength training also improves your running economy. This means you use less oxygen to run at the same pace. You become more efficient, using less energy to go farther. This translates to faster race times and more enjoyable runs. Many runners make the mistake of only focusing on mileage. They think more miles equals better performance. While running is essential, neglecting strength training can hinder your progress. It can even increase your risk of injuries. Without strength training, your muscles become imbalanced. This imbalance can lead to poor running form and increased stress on your joints. Over time, this can lead to painful injuries that sideline you from running altogether. Skipping strength training is like building a house on a weak foundation. It might look good initially, but it won't withstand the test of time. Strength training provides the solid base you need to run strong and injury-free for years to come. Section 4. Your Strength Training Toolkit. You don't need fancy equipment for effective strength training. Bodyweight exercises are excellent for beginners. They use your own body weight as resistance. Let's look at some key exercises. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your front knee behind your toes. Get into a push-up position, resting on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Start in a plank position. Lower your chest towards the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. Section 5. Your first week, a plan of action. Start with 2 strength training sessions per week. Choose non-running days or do them after your runs. Here's a sample plan for week 1. Squats. 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds between sets. Lunges. 2 sets of 10 repetitions per leg. Rest for 30 seconds between sets. Plank. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 times. Rest for 30 seconds between holds. Push-ups. 2 sets of as many repetitions as possible. Rest for 30 seconds between sets. Plank. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 times. Rest for 30 seconds between holds. Squats. 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds between sets. Remember to focus on proper form over speed. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. As you get stronger, gradually increase the number of sets, repetitions, or workout days. Strength training is a journey, not a race. Be patient and consistent, and you'll reap the rewards. Share your progress and inspire others. Stay tuned for more tips and workout plans to take your running to the next level.